In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Telegram's spam messages. By the end, you'll have Telegram's desktop app locked down so strangers can't call you, find your number, or drop you into random groups. Start by opening Telegram desktop on your computer. This works the same on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in. You can use the QR code with your phone or enter your number and the code Telegram sends you. Only enter that code in the app itself. Never share it with anyone who asks for it. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the window and click the 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where all your privacy controls live and where we'll make the changes that cut down spam fast. Inside Settings, click Privacy and Security. You'll see a privacy section with several items we're going to tighten up. First, open phone number and set it to nobody or to my contacts if you prefer friends to find you by number. This prevents strangers from discovering or matching your account through your number. You can add exceptions if there are specific people or groups who still need access. Next, open calls. Set calls to nobody or my contacts. This stops random callers from ringing you. If you still want to receive calls from certain people, use the exceptions list so they can always get through. Then open the setting related to invites. On Telegram desktop, this typically controls who can add you to groups and channels. Set it to my contacts or to nobody if that option is available on your version. This is one of the biggest contributors to spam, so limiting who can add you will dramatically reduce unwanted group drops. Again, use exceptions if needed for trusted communities. There's one more important piece. If you've set a public username, the handle that starts with the @ symbol, anyone can find you in search and message you. To reduce visibility, open your profile by clicking your picture or name at the top of the settings page. Click the edit icon, select username, clear it so it's blank, and save. Without a public username, people can't pull you up by search alone, which cuts down spam significantly. Your existing chats still work, and your contacts can reach you the same as before. That's it. Review these settings occasionally, especially after app updates. And if a spam message still slips through, you can block and report right from the chat to help Telegram's filters improve. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a much quieter Telegram.